Welcome to this detailed guide on publishing draft pages on WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to take a page that has been saved as a draft and make it live on your website. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress website where you manage your content. Once the site loads, locate the login option typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your starting point for accessing all the features available on your site. After you click on the login button, the next step is to choose the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. The interface is designed for convenience and security, permitting you to use your existing Google credentials rather than creating another set of login details. When you select Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will be displayed. Choose the one you wish to use for accessing your WordPress account. This streamlined process ensures that your identity is verified quickly and securely. Once you have successfully logged in, the next part of the process involves navigating to the section where you can manage your pages. Look for the menu option labeled Pages. This section holds all the pages on your website, including those that have been published and others still in draft form. When you click on Pages, you will be provided with a list view showing each page along with its current status. This makes it easy to identify which pages need attention. Now that you are in the Pages section, look through the list and find the draft page that you want to publish. You will notice that each page has various editing options available. For the page you wish to update, locate the option to perform a quick edit. Clicking on Quick Edit will open a simplified editing view that allows you to make essential changes without navigating to the full editor. Within the Quick Edit interface, focus on the area that displays the status of the page. This is a critical element because it determines whether the page is merely saved as a draft or has been made available to the public. By clicking on the status field, you reveal a selection that typically includes options like draft and publish. Your goal is to switch the current setting from draft to publish. Changing the status to publish signals that the page is complete and ready for site visitors to view. It is important to note that when a page is published, it becomes immediately accessible to anyone visiting your website, so it is advised to make sure all content is final. After you have updated the status from draft to publish, the final step involves confirming your changes. Look for the button labeled Update and click on it. This action saves the changes you made in the Quick Edit interface and applies them so that the previously drafted page now appears on your live site. The system usually provides confirmation that the update was successful, giving you peace of mind that your content modifications have been applied correctly. By following these instructions step by step, you have now learned how to convert a draft page on WordPress into a published page available for your audience to see. This process has been designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, allowing you to manage your website content with efficiency and confidence. Enjoy the improved functionality and ease of editing that WordPress offers, and continue to update your website as often as needed.